of deteriorated roads gets only 601 million. Bakit po ganon? How does DPWH determine which preventive maintenance of roads will it prioritize and allocate budget to? Based on necessity po dapat ito, di ho ba? Kasi kung titingnan natin yung data and correlation, parang hindi naman. How can DPWH justify why regions with the worst road conditions are not the ones prioritized? If we look at the modified budgets.
Tama po. In fact, sa preventive maintenance, ang dagdag po natin is asset preservation pala. Asset preservation program, which includes, of course, preventive maintenance. A total of 17 billion was added to the NEP. Totoo po na medyo malaki ang budget allocated for Metro Manila roads rather than compared to other areas. Ang dahilan po dahil mayroon silang